Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back after a long, well deserved break. I'm back to bring all the different contents I can bring. I'm sitting here in my car while it's raining, and I'm waiting for the rain to calm down before I go inside. But I just wanted to say hello and let you guys know I'm back. And looking forward to summer, and giving you guys all the nice content that I can give. I needed to take a break, so this is why you haven't seen me for a little while. I'm in a whole different car. Yes, I upgraded my car. Got another one. Got a newer one, actually. You know, and maybe I may do a car tour. I might. It's kind of late now because I picked up this car in January. I'm loving it. It's so cute. So cute. But I just want to come in and say hello. I'm back and looking forward to spending time with you guys. And I'm going to try my best to post a lot more often than I was. During the wintertime, not much goes on for me. Like there's not much I want to do in the winter. I'm not a winter person. I'm more of a summer person. So in this video that you're about to see, you're gonna see us at parties. We went to we went to a boat ride, breakfast boat ride. It was great. We had fun. And probably other little things that that's coming up. But definitely I'm gonna make sure and post more often than I was posting before. So stay tuned. And happy 2025. I mean, I know the last time I saw you guys was January. That was the last time I posted, was in January, and I haven't posted since. But I'm back now. Sorry for the hold-ups, sorry for the long waits, but your girl is here. She's back. We outside. It's summertime. Outside. We outside.
We outside today.
Yes. About to have some fun. Okay, so we're here. We're on the line at Vail Vibes.
And it's a vibe.
It's a whole vibe. We're here lined up for food. As you can see, everybody's lined up for food. This is before the boat rocket starts. Vail Vibes 2025 summer. party. This party's finished. So we're party done, but not really done.
Not done.
We're heading to the next
one
venue.
Party, we go to
the
a second party and a third party.
Exactly. Today we're doing like three
Until
parties.
the party uninvites us, that is the last party for us.
Yes,
But
that
until
part.
then, life is a party, so you must enjoy it.
That part. Right this one.
Yeah.
So we're heading to the after party of this party. So we're taking a nice walk through Manhattan. We're heading back to the parking lot where we parked our car. And let's see what happens next. Stay tuned. Alright, so today I'm having a tea crepe. It's a lychee raspberry tea crepe. And where did I get it? I'm in Rockville Center. If you're looking for a nice tea swirl crepe, it's a Japanese crepe. The phone number to this place is 516-780-0458. Can't say I didn't put you on. Give it up for tea swirl crepes. This is yummy, so let me get to it. Talk to y'all later. Evening stroll in Brooklyn. Look who it is. It's my young king.
It's crazy.
No, it isn't. We're hanging out in Brooklyn, having a nice stroll on the Brooklyn Promenade. Chilling. Carnival, so magical. It's a blessing up above. We go jump till morning. Let the world was sleeping. Tell them we not leaving. Last lap for Bacchanal. Madness in the capital. I feel like I run in town again. Jump and wave with all my friends and them. Place like home. Home, home. We outside on the stoop. We home. We outside. So I'm here at Trader Joe's shopping, and look what I came up upon. Bitters. Like, really? Angostura bitters is what I know, but this is something new to me. I wonder if it's the same bitters we have in our bottle that they have in this bottle. I'm tempted to buy it just to find out. But if I don't get it today, I'll get it some other day and I'll try it out and keep you guys posted on this bitters from Trader Joe's. Hey y'all. I'm here. I just stopped by to tell you thank you for watching my first summer vlog. I have more to come. I'm going to end the vlog here. I know I started late. Bear with me. There's more to come. You know, summer comes in and it just goes by like, psh, it goes by really quick. I know. And I know I started late. But don't forget, while you guys are watching, like, share, and make sure and subscribe, okay? Make sure and subscribe to my videos. Please and thanks. I appreciate every one of you. Have a blessed, safe, and wonderful summer. See you soon. Bye.